That was lovely piano playing by Ian right there. In prep for Gary Barlow, hopefully you'll get to play a little bit of piano with Gaz.
It would be wonderful if he could christen it, because I'm not that good, but he is very good.
What's on the menu today is 5 quick and easy dinner lunches.
You cook it in the evening, eat your dinner, and then you have the leftovers for lunch. Healthy, hearty, tasty, quick. Boom.
Over here we have the prep table. We have 5 dishes laid out here. That's our ratatouille, then we got the chili. That's our aubergine dish, Thai curry, and this is our badass mac and cheese. We have the dish that we've got prepped right here, but we also have all the ingredients laid out in the exact correct amounts. And it just makes everything flow really, really smoothly.
So the vibe for this video is we're going to be basically making our regular Facebook videos, which obviously have a top-down camera, with our side camera here for the hero shots, and then this one. This camera here is a new camera for us. This is going to be the one where we're basically doing the presenter base. And then Chris is going to be roaming, and Kat is going to be holding on to this camera, making sure that everything is looking super pretty.
Hey guys, welcome to BOSH TV. Today we are cooking quick and easy dinner lunches. So these are going to be really quick meals that you can cook for dinner. They're going to work great for you for the next day for lunch. We've got a bit of a special guest, haven't we? He's a legend in the game. Today we are joined by none other than Gary Barlow.
Hi guys.
Oh my God.
How's it
going?
I'm really excited to be here.
Good.
This is great. I love your show as well.
Thank you very much. Well, we're big fans of yours too.
That's good.
And also your fitness theme, your fitness movement, your boot camp.
Well, it's the new year, so everyone's on it. I'm on it because I've got a tour starting in April. I want to be out there looking my best for the audiences. So I'm really excited about what we're going to cook today.
Excellent. Well, we've got a few recipes to show you, and everybody out there.
Curry, because I love curry.
We're going to make a curry for you. We knew you liked curry. We've got a butternut curry for you. We have the inaugural BOSH apron for you to try on.
Fantastic, lovely. Thank you.
Part of the gang now.
Excellent.
Lovely.
Well, why don't you leave us to it? We'll get cracking with our ratatouille road.
This has all sort of come about because I think over the years people have watched me sort of transform my image. I was quite heavy at one point, and I think pretty much every third question on Twitter is, how did you do it? And when I first realised I needed a diet, I realised how little I knew about food and nutrition and when to eat and what to eat. I really knew nothing about it. And I spent about 9 years doing those nasty, horrible diets, which basically means you're miserable all day long and you can never keep it going for long. So it's usually a failure. But nowadays, of course, I've learned that you want good, healthy, nutritional food to basically keep you going throughout the day so you can do your job as good as you can do. And at the same time, you gain because you don't put weight on and it's all that really. So that's why I'm here. I'm trying to educate the people who follow me. The people who are asking me, trying to give them a few shortcuts to like a better way of eating and living really. The one thing that clicked with me was when I realised actually it's not a diet I need, it's a change of everything. Rather than take things away, you can't have this, you can't have this, you can't have this. What do I need more of? What do I need to eat more of? In fact, most of these things in front of us was the list of the things I needed to eat more of. I must say, it's a little fancier than I would normally do, but I will make that because it looks delicious.
Glad to hear it, Gary. And then a little bit of crunchy veg in there as well.
Lovely. Perfect.
Straight through, good for your dinner, good for lunch tomorrow, whenever you're writing songs or whatever it is you're doing tomorrow.
That is delicious, well done.
Thank you.
Really, really lovely.
Well, you cooked it.
You're right, it was all
well
about
done,
me.
well done.
It was delicious, thank you very much.
So that's it, we've got recipe 1 done. We cooked a ratatouille, or I cooked a ratatouille rose roulade with Gary. That was a lot of fun.
And number 2 is going to be a super quick red Thai curry.
And this is going to be Ian cooking this time.
That's it.
Well, let's get cooking dish number 2, right? I think we're good to go.
Let's do it.
After you're with Ian this time.
Okay, I'm with.
Yeah, you're with Ian.
You've done Henry, yeah. Now,
done the rehearsal.
Now it's the real deal. Step up. Right, and we're going to be going in with 2 tablespoons of coconut oil.
This looks delicious.
So this is our super quick red Thai curry, cooked with the legend that is Gary Barlow.
Oh, that is great.
That's decent, you know.
That is very good.
So that's it, we've wrapped with Gary. It was a load of fun. We've nailed 2 recipes.
Yeah, 2 tasty recipes, and they will be coming onto BOSH Facebook, onto BOSH YouTube, onto BOSH Instagram very soon.
Dude, thanks for coming round.
You guys, very
It was a lot of fun. It's very well get out, man.
Great house, by the way. So you're on location. See,
I can't wait. Yeah.
see you guys.
See you later. Have a good one. Got your apron.
See you later.
That was mental.
Yeah, he's from Manchester, we're from Sheffield, automatic northern link there.
Yeah.
Down to earth, mate.
It's that twang, isn't it? There's that twang.
That guy, it's just thinking about his life and like what he's done is really inspiring.
So we've nailed 2 dishes with Gary. He had to run, we took a little bit longer than we thought. Now we need to nail 3 more in quick succession.
Boom, let's do this.
Let's go.
Whew.
Wow, so that was insane. We cooked 5 dishes which you can make in 15 minutes, perfect for your dinner or for your lunch. But not only did we do that, but we got to cook 2 of them with Gary Barlow.
A bona fide British musical legend.
That was insane, right?
Yeah, the guy's a G. We like him a lot, and we like the fact he loved our food.
So we hope you enjoyed that. Quick, easy dinners. If you did, hit the like button. And if you want to see more like that, feel free to subscribe.